This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off JavaScript in the Zen web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Zen web browser opened up now. To turn on or off JavaScript on the Zen browser, first thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the address bar, put your cursor in there, erase whatever's in there, and type about:config. Then hit enter, and that'll take you to a page that looks something like this. It says proceed with caution. Changing advanced configuration preferences can impact Zen performance or security. Click on accept risk and continue. It'll take you to a page that looks like this, and up here at the top in the search bar, you want to put your cursor in there and you want to type javascript.enabled. And right here is javascript.enabled. As you can see, I currently have JavaScript toggled on. By default, it's probably toggled on. It says true. To toggle it off, there is a toggle off to the far right. If I click on that toggle, now as you can see, it says false. And if I click the toggle again, now it is set to true. That is how to turn on or off JavaScript in the Zen web browser. Thanks for watching.